Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nemo, and in today's vlog guys I'm going to be sharing with you how I spent the entire of my last week, and also I'll be sharing with you a few days in my life guys. Hope you enjoy and stay tuned. So in today's vlog guys, I feel like I'm going to prepare some fish. So I'm going to prepare fish with you and make some chapos, and later I'll be doing a little bit of grocery shopping. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog, and don't forget to comment down below. Let me know your reviews, as we were preparing for elections in Kenya and everything went out well and peaceful. So we are moving, we are going ahead. Yes, we don't stay at the same point.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember you. All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. I would. I would.
Hi. This was the next day guys, and I was preparing to go to the market and get some few groceries. So yeah, that is just how I was dressing, and I'll show you more of what I got from the market once I come back home. See you shortly guys when I'm back. So guys, at this point I had already gotten home from the market and I'm going to unwrap what I got. So the first thing I got was this bag of, is it a bag or a sack? Yeah, that bag of nyanyas and a kg of onions and some few pieces of maize because I wanted to make some githeri. So here in Kenya, maize and beans, that's what we call githeri. So I had to prepare some food for the week. And I got a piece of apple for my baby. I don't take apples, but I thought of giving her, even though she doesn't take, she always throw it away because I don't think she has really adapted to take apples. But anyway, she'll get used to rather than buying sweets. So the next thing I got was this bag of tuarus. Yeah, those are Irish potatoes, which we're going to skumami for almost a few days in the week, Yeah, so that is just what I got. And it's really costed. Not much, by the way. It was budgetable. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to store my nyanyas in the fridge for them not to overripe. And yeah, guys. So guys, I feel like I'm going to end my vlog here. And don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what kind of content you want me to bring fire next. So bye. Cheers. Peace.